Hello everyone, I'm Abhilasha and today I tell you about my daily routine. So, I usually wake up around 6 a.m. in the morning. First, drink a glass of warm water and do some exercise, stretching to feel fresh. Then I get ready and have my breakfast, something healthy and simple. Before starting the day, I make to-do list. I love to do making to-do list, plan my day, what should I do in all the morning. So this is very important, I think. Also, I suggest you to make to-do list. So after that, I do my study and I love to plan my day. So after that, in lunch, in afternoon, I have my lunch and take some rest, 2 to 3 hours. And in evening, I love to record myself in video and make some reels. It's fun. And after that, I work on my skills, like something about sometimes laptop related skills, editing and my evening goes like this. Obviously, in dinner I have my dinner around 7 to 7:30 p.m. and it's been 1 year I followed this routine. And but when I go home, this routine is not possible at all because my family have take dinner around 9 to 10 p.m. So this is not possible. So before bed, I started reading books to get some informative information and stay engaged with English. And after obviously, and I am a hostel girl. While I am preparing my food, I love to listen podcast in English with subtitles, and also I refer lots of English movies with subtitles, and which helped me a lot. When I started, I don't get to what they say, but after listening, I get it that what is going on. So this helps me a lot. And before bed, I love to reading books. Not much, but it's been 1 week, obviously. So reading books helps me a lot. So that's my daily routine. I love to stay my productive and positive my routine. So I know I did lots of mistakes, but I can't stop myself because already I'm 23 years old and still I'm not a confident person and I'm not fluent in English. So thanks for listening and please comment me and give me feedback on comment. So thank you.